This tutorial will show you how to log in to cPanel. With your web browser, enter the URL of your cPanel. cPanel can be accessed with any of the following URLs. Enter your cPanel username. Enter your cPanel password. Click the OK button. Congratulations! You now know how to log in to cPanel.